Hi! Hello everybody, let's work on our reinforced middle block, or Ssang Soo Mahk Ki. Ssang Soo Mahk Ki. Ssang Soo Mahk Ki. Good. This gem load is a little bit different. So I'm going to take my chambering hand and I'm going to bring it all the way back with my palm down. Very good. I'm going to take my blocking hand and bring it all the way over so they're stacked on top of each other like so. Good. Notice how I have to slightly twist my body a little bit? That's okay. Ready. Jam load. Reset. Jam load. Reset. Jam load. Make sure you look, see if you're in the correct position. And reset. Good. Let's add that block. Ready. Jam load. Now my blocking hand, or the top hand, is going to throw a regular middle block. So it pivots out like this. Good. My chambering hand, instead of coming back, is actually going to reinforce at the elbow, but not touch. We do not want to touch. We're going to have space. Good. So this is a reinforced middle block shutting down the entire middle part of our body. Very good. We call this Ssang Soo 1-2. Let's practice. Ready? Reload. Ssang Soo 1-2. Very good. Reload. Ssang Soo 1-2. Very good. Now in real life, it looks like this. Ssang Soo 1-2 at the same time. All right, let's do the other side. Ready? Load. Ssang Soo 1-2. Very good. Ready? Reset. Ssang Soo 1-2. One more. Ssang Soo 1-2. And again at full speed, same time. Very good. All right, let's add a stance. Good. So we're going to jam load, step into that slightly twisted position, and twist to bring it out. Hey! And reset. Load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! And reset. Load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! Notice that's in the middle, not off to the side. I want to cut off the middle part of my body from any danger. Good. And reset. Other side, ready, load, step, twist, and block. Hey! And reset. Load, step, twist, and block. Hey! Reset. One more. Load, step, twist, and block. Hey! Good. That is our reinforced middle block, or Ssang Soo Mahk Ki in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.